I had purchased my property years before the HOA even existed. Rolling fields, a small creek, and the single dirt road leading up to my ranch. Everything was perfect. That is, until HOA Karen decided her community needed control over traffic, privacy, and apparently me. One morning I drove up to my property and froze. A massive wrought iron gate had been installed, right across the only road leading to my ranch. A shiny plaque read, "Private HOA access, no trespassing." I called the HOA. "You can't block the only legal access to my property," I said calmly. Karen's voice crackled over the phone, dripping with entitlement. "We own the community roads. Pay a fee or find another way." Another way? There was no other way. My driveway led straight from the main access road. The only alternative was a 30-mile detour through someone else's land. Karen smirked, thinking she'd trapped me. But she underestimated my approach. I did some digging and discovered the HOA had mortgaged their own access road years ago, and it was up for sale. Within a week, I purchased it. Legal documents signed, the road deeded to me, and immediately, their private gate became my responsibility. I installed a simple unlocked swing gate with a sign. "Property of owner and enjoy the scenic drive." Suddenly, the HOA board had to request permission to use their own access road. Karen's smug smile vanished, replaced by a mix of confusion and panic. The board scrambled, lawyers were consulted, and fines were threatened, but all of it fell flat. I owned the road. I controlled the access. And best of all, every morning, I drove up to my ranch through the very gate Karen had thought would trap me, smiling at her flustered HOA neighbors. It was more than just legal victory. It was poetic justice. Karen had tried to control me with bricks and iron, assuming her HOA influence outweighed property rights. In reality, all she did was give me the opportunity to flip the script entirely. The lesson was simple. Entitlement can be defeated by research, patience, and a little financial leverage. My ranch remained mine. The access road, also mine. And Karen, she learned that property is not just about ownership. It's about knowing when to fight smart, not just hard.